Hello and welcome to Cannon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Breville 980 XL, and let's go ahead and grind some coffee. Okay, then I'm going to make an Americano just to test all the functions on this. This way we're testing the hot water valve too. See no leaks. There's the hot water going for the Americano. Working well. And test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Cannon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.